Okay, basically the construction of the coaxial cable, which is shown in the given figure, which having the four layers. First one is the inner conductor, second one is a insulating material, and third one is a outer shield, which is covered, we can say, and last one is a protective covering through which we have to protect the basic cable. So it consists the two concentric circle is there, or the concentric conductor is there, which is namely as a inner core and the particular outer shield. Okay, through which we have to separated the particular security parameter. Okay, so conductor is separated by the particular material. So the external or the particular external conductor, which is used in the form of metallic braid. So with the help of this, we need to be a give the particular shield for the purpose of security. So coaxial cable may have contain one more than two pairing of the coaxial cable. Basically, this construction is used for, or the particular construction of coaxial cable with the other axis, which having the particular jacket or the particular shield, which is provided by the protecting covering. So we can use that particular outer shield, which protects the inner conductor from the electromagnetic interference. Whenever data is transmitted over the cable from one source to another source, or the one side to another end of the particular communication channel, the electromagnetic interference is added, means the noise is added in the given data. So with the help of that outer shield, it provides the interference of the electromagnetic. So with the help of this, we need to be a give the shield to that cable. So through the plastic jackets or the form of cover, we have to consider the cable, which is provide the insulation and the protection against the electromagnetic interference. Basically, the coaxial cable was initially developed for the analog communication, which requires for the telephone networks. So, in case we consider the telephone communication, we use the coaxial cable. The single coaxial cable would be used to carry the more than 10,000 voice channel at a time. Means whenever we use the n number of communication channel for transmitting the signal with the help of telephone lines, we use the 10,000 voice channel at the same time or at the same given time. So with the help of digital transmission system using the coaxial cable was developed in 1970. So basically it provides the shield. So the external electromagnetic interference is not added in the particular data. This is the one advantage or the characteristics of coaxial cable. Basically, it having the large bandwidth, and the cost of this cable is less than the fiber optic cable. Then it does not lose the particular data, means uh, the loss of data is not the probability of the loss of data is comparatively less than the twisted pair cable. So this is the advantage or the characteristics of coaxial cable. So the coaxial cable is very easy for installation and easy for repairing, because of it having the particular protection shield. So probability of failure of the cable or the lifespan of the cable is basically high. So this is the advantage. Next, the cable is suitable for the point to point communication and the point to point or the point to multi point communication. So this cable is used for the large distances consider for the communication as compared to twisted pair cable. So basically it is used for the telecommunication. Next, the external noise is not added, means because of the shield is provided, the external noise is not added. So it is the advantage of this. So next, basically it supports the high data rate, means maximum data is transmitted through that cable. Next one, the data loss is less as compared to twisted pair cable. Basically it is
मॅम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर
costly.
सुरू झालं.
2 minutes last disadvantage सांगते फक्त. So basically it is costly than the twisted pair cable because it provides the extra material for the covering or for the protection purpose. This is the particular disadvantage. Next one is it is basically used for the telecommunication channel, having the digital or analog telecommunication. Next one, basically it is used for the TV connection. Then it is used for the particular digital transmission we can use for the data fiber. Optical coaxial cable is used for the digital transmission, and it having the fast ethernet access for the transmission. So with the help of this we can easily transmit the content for the long distance without any noise interference, means the security of this application or the cable